Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some horn strobes. The first one is going to be this system sensor P2WL horn strobe. And the next one is going to be this strobe right here. Some of you might remember this one if you follow me on TikTok. And we're also going to be installing some electrical boxes. Let's go ahead and get started. I also went ahead and installed the electrical box for the pull station. That will go right here. Now I'm done with this electrical box that's going to house all the stuff in it. Yeah, I know it's not straight. I've done better, as you can see. If you look up here, it's way better than this one. But it's fun. But now we are going to move on to installing the electrical box at the very, very top. So we ended up changing our minds. We actually are going to be taking this down because we won't need it anymore. So the wire is just going to go straight up into the pull station and the horn strobes. Now we're going to be installing the conduit electrical box for the system sensor horn strobe. I just finished putting up the conduit electrical box. Now we're going to mount the horn strobe. Alright, so I've got the the horn strobe mounted, and I've got everything wired up. The conduit will be added next month. So real quick, we're going to test it, so we're going to sit you guys down here. Alright, Harmon knows we're doing this, so it won't happen like last time. We're actually going to sit you guys down real quick. So anyway, this is the action. Alright. Quick second, we're gonna put that up. I would advise you lower your volume, because we put this one on high, we tried it on low. It didn't really cover a lot of the area, because it's in hallway, so please bear with me here. Alright. I'm gonna go pull one of the pull stations, and we should go off. Obviously. Pull stations pull. And we did go ahead and install a pull station, single action. Show you inside. Doesn't mean that they will activate it, so it probably could just be here for a while, and when you pull it, it won't do anything. But we already have the port strobe set up. Now, we're gonna go and install the next strobe. Alright, so, change of plans. I went ahead and moved the single action pulsation, the Honeywell, to where the previous Firelight BG12 was. I'll show you that here. So here, a lot of you guys have probably seen this in my previous videos if you follow me on TikTok. So we went ahead and moved them, and they also came and they rewired it. And I am pretty sure it is active, but we wait for the whole system to get installed. Same thing goes for up here. They decided that they're going to hold off installing anything up here. They said they're going to install the box, but they're not going to put anything in it because they're going to wait to be able to buy. They want to buy another system sensor orange strobe, but the one that they're going to get will be red, and they will move the one that I just recently installed in here. It's going to be for today's video. I did end up having some leftover cable. It was pretty much just stuff I didn't need, so I went ahead and just put those on a little neat bar right here. So that way I can reuse them. So I will be giving you guys an update of when we're able to get the new orange strobe installed. And I also forgot to mention that we will be getting another pull station, and then we'll be moving this back into the other room and putting the new one here. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, go ahead, leave a comment, and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one.